SketchUp's SKP format isn't supported by most 3D tools. To move your models into Blender, Maya, Unity, or 3ds Max, convert them to OBJ, the universal format. This guide shows how to convert SKP to OBJ with Autoconverter. Textures, materials, and geometry stay intact, and you don't even need SketchUp installed. Autoconverter reads SKP files directly and exports clean OBJ with full texture support. It works as a standalone app, perfect for render farms or machines without SketchUp. Bring SketchUp models into Blender for rendering or animation with full textures, or export to Maya for architectural visualization and rigging pipelines. OBJ keeps materials and textures via MTL files and retains vertex normals for better lighting. SKP is smaller thanks to components, but OBJ works everywhere. Autoconverter supports every SketchUp version from 3 to 2025, and the full version lets you batch convert entire folders of SKP files at once. Converting SKP to OBJ is the standard way to move SketchUp models into other 3D tools. Download Autoconverter and try it free for up to 10 conversions.